Hello, everyone. How are you all doing once more? I want to believe you are doing so well, enjoying your life, making some gains in the crypto space. I shared this world coin trade earlier on my X. I want to believe you guys took advantage of it. But if you didn't take advantage of it, this is what you should do whenever you see a setup like this. Let me just show you guys. This was a setup here on X. This is how it looks like. I'm going to go right now and show you guys why I took this trade. This trade is based on the fixed volume profile strategy and also the alpha trend. Now, this was the setup. Okay, let's go to the chart. Let me show you guys how I came about this setup. Price was dumping here on the 50 minutes time frame, and I saw how price consolidated sideways. So what I did was I brought in the volume profile. I block it from this bottom here to this zone here, which is like the top of this move, and I waited to see what will happen afterward. What I wanted to see was break and close above this zone. So whatever happens, what I wanted to see was a full candle close out of this range, either above or below of that range. Now, why did I take this trade? I took this trade because price was above the 50 moving average. Price break out above the fixed volume profile consolidation zone that I drew, and the alpha trend at one point printed a buy signal. I didn't wait for the alpha trend to print the buy signal completely. I got into the trade immediately. I saw this candle close above this zone, and my stop loss was below this zone here, which is the value area low. So whenever you see the market doing something like this, what you need to do is bring in the fixed volume profile, and then you mark this zone from the bottom here to the top of the move. Just be following price as it's going sideways. And whenever you see a breakout, either to the upside or to the downside, you are taking that trade. Long when you break above, short when you break below. Now, I've done a general analysis on the daily time frame, looking at key levels here on this daily time frame. And what was I looking at? I was looking at the areas where price was moving sideways, and I wanted to see whether I can capitalize on this movement downward. So I brought in the volume profile again, and I block it from down here to the top of this move. And I went down now to the 4 hours time frame to see the general structure on that time frame. And this was the general structure that I wanted to see. It was fantastic, guys. You can see clearly that looking at the structure, or price has been moving in this range. You can see clearly this range here, this range sideways. Price is still moving sideways. What I did here was just a quick trade on the 15 minutes time frame. I would have still hold this trade and take it right up to the value area high, which was this zone here around 1.36. So if you are still in this trade, this target is still the value target, that 1.356. Now, I went down to the 15 minutes time frame to get an entry, and I saw that, okay, getting an entry on the 15 minutes time frame, this was going to be an amazing target for me, this previous high here. And after that high, I want to see retracement back to the 50-day moving average before I get involved again in this trade. So what I'm looking for right now is retracement back to the 50-day moving average, and also towards this zone where the alpha trend printed a buy signal. Now this is the candle that printed this buy signal. So what I'm doing right now is mark the candle from the top, to the bottom of the candle, then take it sideways. I want to see price get there to that zone. So if I see price get there and I see rejection on the 15 minutes time frame, 1 2 rejection, I'm going to place the trade and then put my stop loss below. Yeah, so I'm waiting for price to retrace back here before I take this trade. If you want to learn how to do this, make sure you join my free Telegram community. The link is found below this video. I stream every now and then on Pom.fun. I've created the button crypto on Pom.fun, and I talk about WorldCoin on Pom.fun. So if say you want to be taking advantage of my trade, follow me on X, be of my Telegram community, and then join me on PomFun to take those awesome trades with me. And if you have any coin that you want me to analyze before it break out, make sure you join my Telegram community and then connect with me on PomFun. Follow me on X. I've shared lot of coins already that you can take advantage of currently. You can see if you scroll down, you see that I've shared stuff here that you can take advantage of. After this trade, I shared this trade before it pumped. Look at the coins I've shared here with you guys, and also look at the content I give you guys for free. So make sure you go right now and check out all of these if say you want to take advantage of my content. I'll be doing a free trading training session for those of you who want to take advantage of what I do. So make sure you join my Telegram community. I'm going to share more information about that there. I will said all this. If this was helpful to you and you want me to keep doing more of such videos, go right now and smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share my content with someone else